Hey y'all, so I'm going out tonight for the first time. Not like out, but I'm going to a friend's dinner for the first time in I don't know how long. And so I wanted to do a get ready with me video. So if you want to see me do my hair, makeup, and I'm going to show you my outfit, then keep watching. Okay, so I am getting ready to do my hair. Well, I was gonna do my makeup first, but look, it's freaking raining. And it says that it's gonna be raining this whole time. Oops, I switched cities. There we go. Yeah, it's gonna be raining. So now I'm like, okay, I don't know what I want to do as far as my hair goes. My makeup, I'm just going to try to mattify it as much as possible. So I sprayed some toner on my face. I'm going to skip the moisturizer. Since it is super humid out today, I don't want my makeup sliding all over the place. So I'm going to use some of this Derma Blend Pore Saver. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of this to my T-zone area. Oh, and this is just gonna help to mattify those areas. I just got out the shower and I have some clean makeup brushes and clean sponges, so I was like, now is the time to do it. So I am going to be using, I thought I was gonna go for something cute, but I think I'm wearing orange, so I'm going to be using this palette on the top of my lid, and then I think I might add a little color underneath to kind of give it some pizzazz. I do have some lashes on just because like I threw in some strips earlier this morning because I had some appointments, so I'm just going to keep those on while we do this makeup look. I'm still getting like my setup together, so I'm going to be using, all right, so I guess I'm just going to be holding it. So I do want to mattify my lids a little bit. Actually, I'm going to do my face first and then do the rest, then do my eyes. So I can't decide which concealer I want to use. I think I want to use this one here. And this is just going to, I'm not going to put on any foundation because I really don't need it. I am just going to conceal in the areas that I think I need it in. So I can let you all watch me do that. So I just moved, party foul. I just moved to a, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know and you keeping up with me. If you don't follow me on Instagram, what you doing, huh? Slacking. Cause then you would know that I just moved to a new city. You gotta go follow me on Instagram to see where. And so I'm really excited about going out tonight or to dinner with a friend. It's a crazy story that I knew for some time. And I'm just going to conceal in the areas, spot conceal. Really just to get rid of just some of the discoloration that I have going on over here. Do I look crazy or not? And I think I might just go ahead and add a little bit more, or add some of the Tarte. And this will kind of give me the right tone that I want. So now I'm actually just going to, do I want to do a beauty blender? I'm going to take one of these flat brushes like this and let's go ahead and kind of pat this in to the face like this. I know I look crazy. It's okay, y'all. We're gonna pull it all together. I am kind of lightening up now, so that's why this looks a little crazy. And the trick is, I am gonna be talking about this in my masterclass I have coming up, but the trick is to make sure that, and I think I'm just going to, this is real life happening right now. I'm gonna actually just go ahead and remove some of this concealer because I did go a little too heavy on it. I just wanted to touch up the area, so I'm just gonna remove it from the lower part of my face. And a little bit on my forehead. Okay, that looks better. Now we're gonna take my go-to. I thought I wanted to go deeper brown with the contour, but I'm just gonna leave it using this shade. So I'm actually going to take some and put it on my hand because I don't want it to be super harsh. And then what I'm gonna do is, okay, so I'm gonna take all my brushes fell, so I had to pick this up, a slanted brush like this or some type of like face brush, and kind of pat into the product and then pat on my face. So what this does is to ensure that you ain't gonna get those harsh lines. And then pick up the rest. Just gonna apply some here since I didn't really do any, I don't really highlight my cheeks, so I don't know why I did that, but I'm just gonna take this all along the perimeter of my face and then go in with the butt of the beauty blender and blend this out. Taking this all up under here because I just want it to be like a seamless transition. And since I didn't use foundation, I'm kind of using this to balance out everything I got going on. Yeah, I probably didn't need to use 2 concealers. How we feeling about that? Yeah, just blend, blend, blend. Now I'm just gonna take some of this Laura Mercier powder and put it underneath my eyes. Press it underneath my eyes. I'm only using this in like my T-zone area because I like the natural glow I have going on my cheeks, of my nose, and on my forehead a little bit. And then on my eyelids, because they're kind of oily and I'm actually not going to prime them with anything other than what's already on this brush. All right, so now that we got the face, I'm going to take some powder, some bronzing powder from MAC. Put that on the places that I need it to be. I'm just gonna be taking a fluffy brush. I thought I was gonna do like a talk through. I feel like I do this every time. This brown, or this bronzing color actually, and just applying this all over my lid. Circular motion, so cute. You see how it just gave it some dimension? And so I think I might actually go ahead and apply a little bit more on the cheek. I have big cheeks, so like the way that I'm doing my makeup, I wouldn't necessarily do on my clients unless like I knew that they like that. But I have a lot of areas, so I'm not about to have like a little straight line right here. And I'm gonna pick up this shade here. It's hard to see with the lighting. I'm still playing with my lighting to see what works. And I'm just going to apply this all on the inner corner because I want to do like that light dark type look, if you know what I'm saying. It's kind of like a yeah, cute. I might go lighter on this. Okay, so now we're just gonna go one shade darker in the brown here, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that also on the outer corner and maybe bring it in. We'll see how I'm feeling. I think I'm gonna bring it all on the lid actually because I don't like that gap there of the brown. What y'all think? Should I do my brows? I don't really be doing my brows these days. I just literally put on some brow gel and call it good. But you know, for tonight, I'll go ahead and do them. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, yeah, pomade in the shade medium brown. So I'm going to be using this little brush here and just lightly filling out the outside to create a little bit more definition. And do the same feathering technique. What this does is help it not have such a harsh, and then blush it up. Oh, I did say I was gonna do a color underneath, huh? And then I'm gonna take this thick color from this palette. It's like an orange. And apply this underneath to give it some color. If I don't end up wearing this orange shirt, I might change this. But for now, orange it is. And then take some mascara. What should I do to my hair, y'all? It's still raining. Ugh. And I was gonna wear it out, but with it being so humid here, okay, kind of looks like I don't know how to do makeup because I did not do what I usually do, which is foundation and all that jazz. But we're gonna apply some blush. Should I use another blush other than this one? This is the MAC. Like I said, I'm gonna be using the same brush I used to contour or like bronze my face with the blush. I kind of want to go for a more matte look than what I got going on here, so I might mattify that a little bit more. And I brought this up really far. Cause I like that look. I like that look. Okay. Now I'm just gonna do a little bit more powder all over my face. Cause I have that just like natural glow, but I kind of want to go for like more of a matte look. Alright, I'm going to be skipping the highlight. Yeah, I'm taking it all over my lips. So this one, I actually do want one that's a little bit more pink. Now help me with my hair, y'all. What should I do? I have my edges laid. And originally I was gonna do some type of style, like a twist out style, and I still might. So let's go ahead and take this down. Start from the bottom, work, don't be like me. Especially for the perfect twist out. So you wanna start from the bottom. Okay, I had to switch scenes or areas or spaces, whatever you want to call them, because I needed a mirror. So here's what we have. Twist out, not a lot of volume, but I think I might. So I'm still using this product, and I think I might just, I didn't want to slick it back. I just didn't want to slick it back, but I'd rather do that than be out here looking crazy because this rain is not stopping anytime soon. So I'm just gonna take this edge brush, and I kind of want to create like a, not really a mountain, but like a little swoop type thing. And with this rain, I do have a raincoat, but it's not like super cute or fashionable or anything. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Okay, maybe I will part this in the middle. That would be a good middle part. And I know I just comb that way. Ooh, gross. Let's see if I can go this way. Yeah. And then I need to apply some product on this side. I kind of wanted some little pieces out. Let's see if it's not too late. Like small little pieces like this. Like that. And then we have these. I feel like this was not what I was originally gonna do, but since this rain is just not letting up anytime soon, your girl can't be out here looking crazy. So I'm just applying a little bit of the, what is it called? Edge control on these pieces that I have out, because it'll just help to keep them controlled a little bit more. So I couldn't decide between these hoops, and I think I'm gonna go with these hoops. Let's do a side profile of the hair. Side profile. Oh, she's feeling cute. Okay, now it's outfit time because your girl gotta go. So I'm going through that phase where I really feel like I don't have anything in my closet, but I have on this orange top. This gray, dark gray skirt. This jacket, I can't tell if it really goes, but I'm wearing it anyways. My black purse that I got from Rome, and some black shoes. Well, that wraps up this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Follow me on Instagram, and if you like videos like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Toodles.